today I am going to move in this house. Yay! It is empty. Oh wait, I have to decorate it. Now let's decorate this free aesthetic house. So, now let's start. Let's make it aesthetic. Remember, I live alone and with my baby sister. Now, let's start with the backyard. First of all, put these 3 plants and this chair, and I got some of the stuff from these other places that are completely free, okay? So now, let's start finding, where is it? So first of all, we're going to find this picture. First of all, we are going to make this place like a bit full of plants, this table. And wait, do I have those stuff? No. Now, we are also going to make a side for my pet dog. And I have a pet dog and a pet cat also. Now, first of all, we are going to start with the dog's place. Now, let's move this a little bit here. Now, we are going to make this orange theme, so we will not need this stuff. And now, we are going to put the stuff that I got. First of all, we're going to put this new gift that I got from, and these stuff do not belong here. This is for the kitchen and the other stuff, okay? Now, we are going to remove this bowl since it is pink and blue. Now, we are going to find new stuff, and it is going to be these cards, because I am using my imagination, not copying of others. I'm just using my imagination and trying to make this house free and cute and aesthetic, so you can copy this. And we're going to add this basketball, and if you have any kids too, you can make the house different from one room different from mine. So now we're going to skip these parts and do this later. Now we are going to start with the kitchen, and let's start. Now we are going to start with the kitchen. Now remember, all scenes are sped up since they were super long. Now let's start decorating, and remember, we're doing this aesthetic. Now we're going to put this stuff, and I'm going to make a scene slow so you can see how I build it, and I'm going to show you the tour later. Now let's decorate this, and I will show you later after decorating. Bye. Oh my god, it's super cute. Like and subscribe if you think this kitchen is aesthetic. Now, you are free to copy. You can copy this fully, okay guys? And I got the other stuff, if you're wondering, from the places like the bakery and many more places like at the hospital. Now we're going to add these drinks so this can look a bit aesthetic. Now we are going to add these tables. You'll be wondering, why am I putting this super strange thing? Now you will see. Just trust the process, guys. Now let's put this. Now we're going to put these shelves so this place can look a bit filled. Now let me just check if this will look good. This is looking good. Now we are going to add this. Wait, I have to put the TV right over here. How am I going to put the TV? I guess I will have to remove this stuff, and now let's just do it. And now we are going to try some things. Ooh, nah. This looks strange, bro. Now, let's just delete this, I guess so. Now, add the long shelves and put the boxes so this can look a bit modern. Now we should remove the top shelf, I guess so. Now, let's start with this place. We are going to make this a bit not filled, I guess so. Now, put some plants and you're ready to go, I guess so. I couldn't think much of that place. Now, let's do this, okay? Now, this looks good. I have seen a lot of people doing this. So now I'm going to make it in my own way. Okay? Now, you guys can see how it is decorated. Now, let's put this bench. This is totally free. I got it from the Vox Villa Studio, 2nd floor. Now, put this stick to add more details. Now, this is the house. Now, don't mind how I didn't decorate, like put stuff here. Sorry, I will decorate it later, and you can decorate it by your own choice. And this is my cute puppy, and he likes you guys. Now, let's do the 2nd floor and put the stuff right over here. Now, let's decorate my room. Now, sorry for that audio thingy notification. Now, I had decorated it earlier, so now I'm redecorating it because I wanted to do this a bit fast. So I thought, why don't I imagine? Why don't I just use my imagination? That's why we kids have imagination. Now, let's put these plants, pillows, and this teddy, and my diamond. Now, let's decorate more. Now, put this chair and this. We are not putting that pink side table because it looks a bit not aesthetic. Now, we are going to put this because we're making for my baby sister, and we're going to remove these beds, and I don't really know what I should add here because I don't really need anything. Wait, I love art in real life too, so we're going to decorate it later to look like. Now, I'm not making a kitchen here, I'm making the bathroom, so we're going to use this because it is in really good way, so the sink looks good. Now, the hack where you have to switch both sides doesn't really work that much now, so we can just use this then, I guess. So I'm just going to put these wallpapers back because now we're going to make the laundry place so I can do my laundry, not making my clothes stink, I guess so. Now we're going to put this because it makes a bit place look aesthetic. Now I'm going to show you the tour after I decorate this. Sorry I didn't show you how to make the art place, and this is my room. It looks super cute and beautiful. Now this is my art place. I hope you like it. And this is the bathroom, and this is the laundry place after decorating it. And like and subscribe if you love the yellow bee.